Listen and practice. Story Strength in Unity. Long time ago, there lived a flock of doves in a grove. They had nothing to eat. They went in search of food in the nearby fields. They saw grains lying there. They all went there and started packing at the grains. Suddenly, a hunter came and trapped them in a net. All the doves became sad and started fluttering their feathers in fear. The king of the doves knew that if they don't put collective effort, they won't get themselves free from the trap. When the hunter was away, the king of the doves asked each dove to try to fly together. They made a collective effort and flew with the net to a safer place. There they called their friend Rat. He nibbled at the net and freed the doves.